Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use CSS Grid. This powerful layout system helps you create two-dimensional web page designs with ease. You can precisely control both rows and columns, arranging your content in a structured and responsive way. Grid containers hold your individual grid items, allowing for flexible and dynamic layouts. It's a fundamental tool for modern web development, offering robust control over your page structure. To begin, apply Display Grid to your parent element, transforming it into a grid container. Then, use grid template columns to define the width of your columns, perhaps using 3 1-fraction units for equal spacing. Similarly, grid template rows sets the height of your rows, maybe 100 pixels, and then auto. Finally, grid gap adds space between your grid cells, like 20 pixels, for clear separation. Once your grid is defined, you can place individual items. Use grid column start and grid column end to position items across columns. For vertical placement, apply grid row start and grid row end. There are also convenient shorthands. Grid column can span 2 columns, for instance, and grid row can place an item from row 1 to row 3, simplifying your code. For more complex layouts, grid template areas allows you to name specific grid cells, making item placement more intuitive. To create responsive designs, explore AutoFit and Autofill with repeat for flexible column arrangements. The min-max function is excellent for setting a minimum and maximum size for your grid tracks. Additionally, various alignment properties give you precise control over how items and tracks are positioned within your grid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.